Remember, it's a Batman party. Every man up there is a still Batman them, but them are the woman Batman. Them take fuck. You know, saying that Batman is him. You have the man, the Batman will give fuck, and you have the Batman will take fuck. So you have the one them where give fuck in a them man clothes same way, but you still see feminine pan them. While you have the other one them will pretend to be like a girl, them in a them dress, them in a them ears, and them in a everything. In the middle of the party, you see man a wine palm man. Man a kiss man. Man a dagger man. Man a lap up with man. Man a snap man. One look part over there, so man a suck off man cocky over there. So now tell me what a straight man are doing at that the party there. I'm going to tell you the difference because I have sense. You might say I'm mad. Basically, when it comes down to bubble down and reason and split things so people understand me, I go down and split it as much as I can for to get my point. Look upon Quiet Perry. He acts very feminine. I don't know if he's a Batman. Nobody when me never see do not me can me now go blame them say them a Batman. Anybody here misses a Batman, may have proof that say them a Batman. Look upon Quiet Perry. He acts very feminine, but I don't know if he's a Batman. Because at the end of the day, you can have some man who act feminine, but they are not gay. I know people like that. You have one man named Gary. We live in my community, Content Garden. He is not gay, but he acts feminine. He talks feminine. He acts feminine, but him not gay. 100% say the man not gay. Him not gay. You understand what I say? But look at this now. Quiet Perry now. I don't know if he's gay or what, but him act feminine, right? You can't have gay friends, you know. As a straight man. Alright, suppose me is a businessman. Suppose me is a businessman. And me is friend with Perry, but me know say Perry gay. But remember say Perry, say Perry is a big businessman. Perry own car marts. Perry own supermarkets. Perry own hotels. And me is a business person too. Me is a straight businessman, you know. And suppose Perry is a Batman. That not stop me from talk to him because remember the same as a businessman. Suppose me need business for do a hotel. Suppose me need business for do transaction with cars. But he's my friend. So me I go have him as my friend. But just know say I have him as a friend as business. That don't mean to say you figure a Batman party with Perry. That shows say he's a Batman. I see enough straight man. I see enough. That's why them say money. Money is the root of all evil. That's why I know say you we have one friend and him a Batman, but because him rich and we not have business together, you will keep him around. That's different. It is different from having a Batman friend for only business like because him own only for things than have a Batman friend and go party with them. That is totally different. You understand what I say? One if you get what me I say, it is different. If you know say that boy they are Batman, but that boy they have only for business. I saw him there.